Data structures and algorithms. In the previous video, we learned about data structures, the way we organize data. Here, let's dive into the second half of DSA, algorithms. Algorithms are simply step-by-step instructions to solve a problem efficiently. They define how we use data structures to get the job done. Algorithms are everywhere in computer science. Search engines use algorithms to find the best results. Social media uses algorithms to recommend posts or videos. E-commerce sites use sorting and recommendation algorithms. Even simple tasks like finding the shortest route on Google Maps use graph algorithms. In short, algorithms make your programs faster, smarter, and more efficient. Here are the few types of algorithms. Now we can look for the Python code of each algorithm type. Searching algorithms help us find an element inside a collection. The simplest one is linear search. It checks each element one by one until it finds the target. It's easy to understand but not efficient for large data because it takes big O of n time. Sorting algorithms arrange data in a specific order, like ascending or descending. In bubble sort, we repeatedly compare and swap adjacent elements until the entire list is sorted. It's slow for big datasets but great for learning how sorting works. Divide and conquer algorithms break a problem into smaller subproblems. Binary search is a great example. It splits a sorted list in half each time to quickly find the target. This makes it much faster, with a time complexity of big O of log n. Graph algorithms are used to explore connections between nodes. Breadth first search, or BFS, starts from one node and visits all its neighbors level by level. It's widely used in social networks, navigation systems, and AI pathfinding. So that's the power of algorithms. They're the logic behind every efficient program. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more knowledge.